Users can also use Chromecast to wirelessly share their screen to the OneScreen TL7. Just a quick note though, screen sharing with this way does not give touch functionality on the touchscreen. Hence, you will not have the ability to control your device using touch on the panel. For that, either use OneScreen Share or use wired connections between your device and the touchscreen. Links to both videos are in the description below. Before using Chromecast for the first time, we must turn on the Support Chromecast Device option inside the OneScreen Share settings on your touchscreen. Then, note the device ID on the OneScreen Shares window as we will need it in the upcoming steps. To use Chromecast on a Chromebook, click the Shelf's system clock located in the bottom right corner. A pop-up menu will appear, and from there, click Cast. Now, select the device you want to cast to. It's that easy. Stop casting your screen anytime by clicking on Stop. Chromecast is also supported by individual apps and programs, hence allowing screen sharing within them. For example, either on your Windows or Mac PC, open Google Chrome. Under More Options in the top right corner, click on the touchscreen you want to cast your display to. You can choose to cast a single tab or the entire screen. Similarly, from your phone, open the YouTube app and press on the Connect to a Device option at the top. A lot of other applications on both PCs and phones will also allow users to Chromecast, and we're leaving a link to that list in the description below.